Happy Vlogmas!
Happy December 2019. Welcome to the Vlogmas adventure.
Happy Vlogmas Day 20.
Yay!
Wowee, that was a lot of birds bathing in our garden. That wee water pool at the very end. Seems to be a really brilliant bird. Bodhi, hello, how are you today?
Good.
It's Vlogmas Day, what is it? 20, and Bodhi just lost a tooth, didn't you? You're big and happy now. We were just discussing growing older, weren't we?
I want to be through.
You want a time machine and be 3 years old. You think 3 years old is the best.
And 2 and 4.
And 2 and 4.
The good ages.
It's now lunchtime. Gemma has her lunch. She's got some avocado and toast there. The trend, isn't it, on trend? Bodhi's in the middle of eating her lunch over there. Gemma's got her last gymnastics session for the year today, so after lunch we'll hopefully manage to fit in Advent. Oh, don't do that. Advent, hunting for the elves and a dance. Let's see if we can do all that before Gemma goes out.
They told me. I wanted belly rubs, so I couldn't give her belly rubs. I just wanted belly rubs.
Our wee cat friends back. Hello! What a popular garden. Might be because of all the birds that come around here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, the cat's here. We're trying to get to dance and everything.
Look, he's too cute for this world.
But there's a cute cat.
She's amazing. See, this is what I really want to pick. They're just amazing. That wouldn't go too well with a hamster. She's gone bad there before. Because to her pole. And she follows me. But when she follows me into the house. That's it.
Oh, she's been in the kitchen before. It's not the first time.
There she is. Wait, what's he dumped into a bag? We have a cat in our kitchen. I know, just if you want to see the cat, then come in. There's not her first thing being in here. But she knows not to jump up on stuff. Unless there's like a flood. See, you're just so smart. You wanna go there?
Alright, well thank you for seeing us today. It was nice to see you.
She's leaving.
Well, we are leaving. We have to go and do dance and Advent. We'll see you soon.
Hello, happy Friday and welcome to day 1 Thursday, 115, Dance 365.
It worked. Okay, but you gonna take my
Sure,
Where did you talk to our cat? To my friend.
Let's do some Advent. Gemma's getting over the fact she had meow and not goodbye.
I said bye, just for like a second I was like, I said meow or bye.
Day 20! You want to do this one first? Oh, alright then. Hold on,
Right. I don't know what that is.
Some Christmas trees and
A purple blob.
a purple. I really don't know what that is either. It's purple.
What age
Could be a present, maybe.
I was 4 when we made that. that.
Oh, where's the... There we are. Right, what we got today?
No, because I was in 2014, I was in 2012, and you were only 5 and
What did you get today, buddy?
I got crunchy bits.
Ooh, crunchy bits. Yum, 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 yum,
You
yum.
would be 5 when you made that, because I was born in 2012.
Oh, no.
No, I was born.
I'd be 4.
I was born when you were 5.
No.
Yeah.
Gemma turned 5 after you were born. She was 4 when you were born, and by the time you turned 1, Gemma was 5. Just the way it works.
I wasn't born in 2014.
It seems to be like a mini Haribo mix. Like, you know a Haribo?
I nearly.
A car. You know how a Haribo packet, like about this big, usually have like the bigger versions of these? This is a tiny version of it.
Guys, I nearly opened the wrong day.
That would have been bad.
I nearly opened day 21.
Whoops, daisy. No, we just went day 20 today.
Oh, this is weird.
Bunch of dummies.
Why are there so many baby bottles? Or
Dummies. Or
dummies?
Fantastic. Crunchy bits and Haribos.
Harry.
All right, buddy, you going to do the calendar?
Yep, I'm just gonna.
This calendar. We have so many calendars.
Phone to
We
them.
enjoy Advent. The countdown to Christmas Day.
Goofy.
Oh yeah, that reminds
Ooh.
me. Christmas Day is on what day?
Wednesday this year, isn't it?
So next year what will be on? Thursday?
Depends if next year's a leap year or not.
Next year's a leap year.
How do you know that?
Dad.
I think you're right, actually, because
And
our
also my gymnast classmate.
2016 was a leap year. Because we vlogged in 2016.
That long?
Yeah, we vlogged in 2016 every single day, so we did 366 vlogs that year.
Because
And dances.
I don't feel bad for people who were born on leap years, like on the day. But they bet you get an extra special birthday every 3 years.
Every 4 years, yes.
4 years, wow. Every 4 years, they bet you get a super special birthday, but in between there.
Just a regular old one on February the 28th.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to look for some elves.
Hey, wait, we didn't even pause the video.
Wow.
Wow. Nope.
Oh, there's a snail in there. An elephant.
What?
Just a snail hanging out with an elephant. Why not? But no elves today. Clue I'll give you is when we were dancing, Gemma did something which revealed an elf.
Huh?
What did Gemma do during the dance that might reveal an elf?
Wait, doing A, B, C, and D. So like A, she goes up the carries. Like B, she looks in the Christmas tree.
I actually didn't do any of those things.
What did you do?
Okay, so I stood here and I did this at some point. So it's that, I did that.
No, you did something else.
But it's purely against
Should I meow?
No.
Your meow didn't release an elf.
Yeah, we need to go. Wait, we need to go see the character. Maybe that's where the
I meow so hard that the elf appeared.
Before the meow at the end of the dance.
Oh wait, they won. And I came.
Yep.
You got one elf.
I'm going to.
Oh, you got 2 elves in one go. Yeah, you moved the balloon and I was like, oh, there's an elf.
Hey, oh no!
Oh, falling off the tree.
Catch me if I fall!
Fantastic.
Wait,
All
no,
right.
No, don't move that elf.
Oh, okay, don't move the elf.
My elf.
This
Doing
elf,
this, ready?
this elf is helping that elf.
I can't actually do it properly, but if I could, if it was actually moving, it would be doing this.
Very good.
Like doing this.
No, that is a donkey.
All right, okay, we have elves in a tree somewhat. And it's time for Gemma to get ready now to go to gymnastics. We did it. We did dance, we did Advent and elves, all before you had to go out. Well done.
By the way, if you didn't see this before we started the dance, I found this.
That's a wee Christmas tree ornament from the wee Christmas tree we haven't put up yet.
from the I
Wait, we need to stop.
Maybe you can do that while Gemma's at gymnastics.
Yeah, and then come back and pick it in my face.
No.
Yep. I will eat it. Wait. No.
Alright, that's Gemma picking out some chocolate to make sure her blood sugar stays high enough while she's off bouncing in a bouncy castle.
Wait.
Have fun, enjoy your Christmas party, I guess.
I need to prepare myself for the battles that are going to happen, because in gymnastics, immediately after the coach say you can go play, there's 2 teams, sometimes even 3. I'm always the 3rd one, and there's one side and the other side, and they all fight over the equipment, because we have equipment like the soft equipment that you jump off of.
You can let us know about how the battle goes
and
later.
it goes like the forts. Every single time I make a fort and then it gets claimed by someone else, and it's very sad because I can actually make them.
Stop talking.
Very good. Alright, see you later. Bye. Hi.
Hi, cat. No one is in
Bodhi has been out playing with the cat. I'm going to go wash some dishes. The cat's in the back garden now.
Okay, well, it's not in our garden, but it's particularly close.
Okay.
I don't see it.
Bodhi's now way out the back door to see the cat. I'm going to wash some dishes. I'm going to edit the dance while Gemma and Bruce are out. And I think Bodhi will decorate this wee Christmas tree. She found the wee ornament for it. Let's see if she can do that. Here we go. One finished, decorated little tree.
And this needs to go down here for another picture tree. So it has to go here.
We're missing a few wee hooks.
We're missing 2, 3.
We've had this tree for a very long time. You did a good job, Bodhi. It looks lovely. Yay, well done. You're heading to put water on it.
Once your lens doesn't get moisture.
Dinner was lovely. You saw some broccoli there. Stuck the camera in because it looks so cool with all the steam coming off it because it was frozen broccoli. Was dinner nice?
It was.
Yep. Gemma is down here working on her clay sculptures. Getting her paint colours.
I can't get the green to work, so I'm just going with this. It's teal.
Alright.
I'm going with teal.
It's like Bruce is reading some
Doing some light reading.
light reading, yeah, just catching up. With some ants in your pants. As you do. I've been editing the vlog.
A 40-odd-year-old man just reading what ants in pants, you know.
Bodhi's set up today. Gemma is doing a great job with her creations, aren't they lovely? You enjoying yourself, Gemma?
This guy's leg fell off,
Oh, this wee guy down here.
so I Mod Podged it back together.
It looks great. I
So
love it.
just don't put pressure on the legs again.
It looks fabulous. I like your second batch. It's coming along really well.
That was the first.
Yeah, I love that one. That was beautiful. Good job. Bodhi is making a TikTok back there. Gemma is finishing off her crafting for the night, and I'm going to wrap this up here. Thank you so much for joining us for Vlogmas Day 20. We'll be back tomorrow for Saturday. Alright, we'll see you then. Goodbye.
Bye.